You guys are not going to believe this. I set up the phone on the tripod next to the knife, and I start sanding. I said, wait a minute, I ought to make a video. So I turned the phone on. The low battery indicator came on. It said I got a low battery. I'm like, I got enough time to still make the video. And I hit the button. Bloop. I get to working on the knife, and I'm sanding on it. And it's got some pretty cool marks on it. I was literally talking on this thing for 15 to 20 minutes without recording it. Rookie mistake. But anyway, I was saying how there were some pretty cool marks on there. Looks like watermarks, like drip marks on here from the quenching it. I have a cold. I apologize. I'm very tired. There you go. But this is the rough shape that I'm going with right now. I kind of gave up that facet look. I'm starting to like this a little bit more. Told you there was a handle in there somewhere. It's still in there. Still trying to pull it out. So anyway, like I was saying, I'm trying to do some hand sanding. Nothing special, nothing major. Just some rough sanding. Trying to get off the scale marks. I'm sorry, the quenching, the forging, whatever you want to call it. I don't care what you guys want to call it. I call it the black stuff that's on the blade. I'm not going to go for a high polish on here. I do like the forged look, though. And the scales are only set in place with the pins. They're not glued or anything like that yet. I have not yet epoxied them together or even prepped them or cleaned them yet. So I just found out from my 11-year-old daughter that I have to make her 2 knives. I said, 2 knives? She said, yes. I said, well, I'm not going to argue with you. You know you never argue with an 11-year-old girl. Especially mine. And I said, okay, what are these 2 knives supposed to look like? She says, one's a dagger and one looks like a J. I said, a J? So she's inside right now looking up the name of the 2 knives. Apparently her mother had just bought her a book. Like a spell book. And it involves herbs and a mortise and pestle. I think she's going to make a little spell to keep them stinky boys at school away from her. I said, you want to make a spell to keep your brother away from you. Oh, I was also saying, I was telling you guys a little bit about me. I said I've been a carpenter by trade most of my career.
Hello again?
There he is. I just realized I did not have the record button on.
Oh.
So they didn't see any of that.
No. It's alright. They want to see it, Ken.
I was saying this is my son Ash.
Hello?
Hey everybody.
It's my spear I'm gonna make. Just a little project for home. When you're bored.
He's supposed to be cleaning his room.
I already did.
How about that? We'll talk about me a little later. All right, I'm going to wrap it up for now. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, share it to all your friends and all that jazz hands, in case you guys didn't pick up on that. So I'll get back to you guys in a little while. Thanks. Have a great day.